Hey everyone! Today's topic is absolutely wild because what if I told you it's now possible for hackers to steal millions, break into companies, and even impersonate your boss, all with a single fake video or voice call? That's the new world of deepfake attacks. Stick around because by the end, you'll know not just what's happening, but exactly how to protect yourself. So here's the headline. In 2025, deepfakes aren't just viral memes anymore. They're a criminal power tool. Hackers use AI to clone voices and faces, hijacking video calls, faking urgent requests, and tricking people and even huge companies. There's been a 1,200% surge in deepfake phishing attacks this year. Some are so realistic, even security pros get fooled. The damage is massive. Firms have lost over $25 million to deepfake scams just this year. Let's talk scenarios, stuff that already happened. A finance staffer in Hong Kong got a video call from an exec. Everything felt real, background, voice, mannerisms. The exec ordered a massive bank transfer. Turns out it was an AI deepfake. Real money gone. Telecoms, banks, even celebrities, and yes, gamers too face deepfake calls telling fans their accounts have been compromised or urging them to verify info via a suspicious link. The reason these attacks work so well is trust. People trust what they see and hear. If an email, video, or voice call sounds legit, most will drop their guard, and that's when disaster strikes. I promised actionable stuff. Here goes. 1. Always double-check before acting. If you get a request for money, access, or sensitive info, verbal or video, confirm it by reaching out using a known contact method. 2. Restrict your digital footprint. Be careful about what you post publicly. Every speech, blog, or podcast is raw material for deepfake engines. 3. Train yourself and your team. Expose yourself to real deepfake examples. There are tons out there. Spot the odd lighting, weird eye movements, or strange inflection. Run regular deepfake drills at your business or with your content creator buddies. 4. Use deepfake detection tools. AI can fight AI. Platforms like Sensity AI or Hive Deepfake Detection analyze incoming audio, video, and images for manipulations. Some are so advanced, they catch over 95% of fakes in real time. These tools are accessible for content creators, not just big corporations. 5. Two-step verification is king. Never rely on one channel for big moves, especially money. Use a secondary verification, such as a follow-up call, messaging app, or check-in with a trusted team member. Cyber pros call this out-of-band verification, and it works wonders. 6. Stay updated. CyberSecurity changes daily. Subscribe to cyber threat feeds, watch news, or join communities that share alerts. If a new scam is trending, knowing about it first is half the battle. So next time you get that urgent call, video, or request online, stop and verify. In the new AI era, it's not just data we're protecting, it's reality itself. If you found this useful, smash that like button, share with your team, and hit subscribe for more cutting-edge insights. And remember, stay sharp, stay secure.